Morning, morning everybody. Wonderful day out again. Going, I think, to Makassar, to BSP, not sure yet. Me and Christy here at the Shell quickly. Just fueling up and yeah, then we're on our way. Let me just show you and introduce you to the guys quickly. You know Christy already, but there's a new guy, Etienne. Just want to reverse the camera quickly. Okay, here we go.
En die windscreen was so goeie asseblief man.
Môre Christy, hoe gaan dit?
Goed en jy man?
Lekker, lekker. Waartoe is ons op pad of wat sê?
Ja nee, is opgewonde. Dis 'n maand laas was gevat.
So yeah, we on our way. Ons is op pad. En nou het ons hier vir Etienne. Môre Etienne, gaan dit?
Môre bro.
Lekker, lekker, lekker. Yeah, the guys are all filling up quickly and then we're gonna go get a coffee and something to eat. And then yeah, we're on our way. So just there's our vehicle there, and little Gemini there, and then we've got the Kia here where Etienne is. So yeah, we're gonna take you guys on the journey, and hope you guys enjoy, and hope it's an awesome day out.
Stars above guide the way, chasing horizons, no time for delay. Feel the it spins, let the endless journey begin. Out in the big wide open free, every step's a pulse of destiny, breaking the rules, running wild to the sun. Under the heavens we're all just one. Mountains stand tall but they bend for us now. Ocean waves bow, each taking a vow. Whispers of dreams in a language we make, following echoes only hearts can take. Out in the big wide open free, every step's a pulse of destiny.
Okay guys, we've got Freek here. Môre Freek, gaan dit? Vir Lulu daar, sy kruip weg agter die bakkie. Môre, gaan dit? Goed. Ja, we met him here. So, yeah, as soon as we're ready, then we're gonna leave and then we'll be on our way. Hey. I don't think this correct chicken.
Every step's a pulse of destiny, breaking the rules, running wild to the sun. Under the heavens we're all just one.
Okay guys, thought I'll bring you some exciting footage. So I think yeah, the footage that you're experiencing now is awesome. Thanks to Etienne and his drone. He's given me an opportunity to showcase a bit more the beach, how we cast, and yeah, just like a bird's eye view of everything that happens. And hope you enjoy.
The skyline calls, I'm not afraid. Chasing dreams in the gold cascade. Feet on fire, heart ablaze. Breaking free from the shadowy haze. Stars above light a rebel trail. Every step's on a fearless scale. Through the thick, through the thin, we're the spark where it all begins. Let's run wild in the big wide open. Chains are gone and the sky is broken. Feel the beat as the world starts turning. Every mile our souls are burning. Mountains rise, but we'll climb higher. Through the clouds with unbound fire. Every leap, every twist. The big wide open's a magic fist. No maps needed, roads are clear. The pulse of freedom's beating near. In the chaos, we'll find our grin. From the edge, our ride begins. Let's run wild in the big wide open. Chains are gone and the sky is broken. Feel the beat as the world starts turning. Every mile our souls are burning. Let's run wild in the big wide open. Chains are gone and the sky is broken. Feel the beat as the world starts turning. Every mile our souls are burning.
Bit of an update again, people. I just want to show you here quickly. I just want to reverse the camera. Oh, what a lot of guys here, eh? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and as far as you can see, there's a lot of guys here on the beach. Because it's pushing tide now, so everybody's come in now for the high tide, for the bigger fish to come in. Just want to show you guys here. Beautiful, beautiful day today. A lot of people on the beach. There's Lulu and Freek, and then there's Christy and Etienne. Sorry, Etienne. There we go. Came back to me all of a sudden. But beautiful day. Not too much working water, but early on there wasn't too much of a color in the water, but it's changed now a bit. Had a lot of side current here from left to right. You'll cast in straight and then it'll take your sinker, even if it's a grab, it'll take it all the way here. Even if you put a bigger weight or ounce sinker on, then it will still pull it. But it's calmed down a bit now, so if you cast in now, then it stays straight. But let's see what happens. Wish us luck. Cross toes, fingers, everything, and yeah, let's see what happens. Ja, kyk iemand
Voetjies aangesit. Waar sy?
die man het nice rodstand.
Dis 'n selfgemaakte, geïnterpreteerde stand hierdie.
Daar's sy.
Jy kan jou bestelling plaas.
Daar's hy, lekker. Sien dieselfde rod as ek. It's got the same rod as me. Also the Wave Power Pro. 14 foot, 14 foot. 14. Ja, dis baie nice rods. Very nice rod.
Carbon Triple X 10,000.
Lekker.
Daar sy.
Are there, Etienne, any update from your side?
Oh, quiet man. I think the only thing I caught here today was cold.
There we go, there we go. And did some nice drone footage for us. Yes, thank you very much, sir. Really appreciate it. Anything from your side, Christy?
Niks.
Nutsie.
Niks.
Yeah, we're trying our best, seeing maybe with the pusher the tide something comes in. But let's see. Alright, I'll check in with you guys as soon as something happens. He said at last. Uiteindelik. Yeah, he just wants to go back. How's hy, mooi Christy? Okay, he's just gonna release it quickly. There we go. Safely released. Chap. Okay, Christy's on again. Let's go check quickly. Hey, there we go. Hey, all of them just want to go back. Nice.
Lekker man.
There we go. Deja vu. Second one is going to go release quickly. There we go. Safely released. Okay, Lulu's on. Just want to show you guys quickly. She's bringing it in. Might be a small little steenie. Let's see. Not sure. Ja, hy is. Is hy iets aan? Ja? Is aan, mooi. Ah, sê, kleintjie. Lekker. As jy kom sien.
Dit was nou lekker.
So lekker close-upie. Ah, sê, nice man. Yeah, it's not the size of the fish, it's the experience. The realistic ingesluk.
Hy die hele aard.
Ja. Maar die hoekie is klaar uit.
Ja. Dit is die aard.
Waar die cotton. Wow. Okay, just gonna release it quickly.
Ah, man.
Lekker.
Kijk hier, schat. Is je visie, mama? Is je visie, papa? We gaan hem naar buiten. Kom. Kom, kom.
Okay, at least. There we go. Excitement for the day.
Ik kan het niet gewoon. Ik kan het niet gewoon. Ja. Ja, dan kan ik nog met kunnen op in een bakken. Een bakken
Hey, Chrissy's got his third one. Can you believe it? Like I say, it's just a small fish today, but at least it's some results. There we go. Okay, Freek's also got one now. I'm going to show you a very tiny one. I don't know if it's a streepie. Oh no, it's also a steenbras, baby one. There we go, nice. A halfuur? Yes sir. Ja. Jy moes eintlik iemand gekry het om jou vas te hou. Sy wil hom uittrek. Sy op mossel.
Wat is dit?
Sy steenbras. Wow.
Ek kan nie.
As hy net so, ja, net so is reg. As hy. Daar gaan nog enetjie. Lekker, lekker man. Yeah, that's why we enjoying the day, and even though we catching the small ones, it's a result and we enjoying every moment. Okay, so we've come to an end of the day. Just want to greet everybody quickly. Freek, dankie vir 'n lekker dag ou maat. Was heerlik saam met julle.
Wat op?
Meneer,
Baie dankie.
baie dankie. Dankie vir jou wonderlike footage. Jy gaan die mense wys. Dit mooi footage neem jy. Lulu, alles wat mooi is, ek gaan 'n drukkie gee daar. Hoe sê ek kan nie hand vat nie, dit werkie. En ja, net vir Freek se dogter ook. Dankie vir 'n mooi dagie, waardeer dit. En ja, that's it. We honor, yeah, we're gonna do it again. It was an awesome day. We enjoyed it. Yeah, what can we say? Wonderful day out. Nice company and good friendship, and yeah, just enjoying the day. Like we said, on our way. And hope you guys enjoyed the footage.
I set my sights on the horizon's line. The salty breeze whispers you're gonna be fine. The waves are calling my name loud and clear. Nature's anthem ringing in my ear. Sunrise paints the sky with golden threads. Each moment savored like fresh baked bread. Seagulls dancing in the morning light. Heartbeats quicken as dreams take flight. Oh, I'm riding waves of wonder. Feel the pulse of the ocean thunder. With every splash my spirit soar high. In this endless sea under a sprawling sky. Footprints fade on sandy shorelines, but the memories burn, always mine. Echoes of laughter blend with tides, a testament to joy that never hides. Mountains stand tall, a silent guard. Nature's beauty never feels far. Dive into the deep or climb to the peak. In every corner, life's secrets we seek. Oh, I'm riding waves of wonder. Feel the pulse of the ocean thunder. With every splash, my spirit soar high. In this endless sea under a sprawling sky. Feel the pulse of the ocean thunder. With every splash my spirits soar high. In this endless sea under a sprawling